Good morning. Good morning. What is your name? My name is Rahul. What is your name? My name is Amit. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. May I come in, teacher?
Yes, you may come in.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
Where should I sit?
You can sit on the second bench.
Which subject do you like? I like English. Why do you like English? Because it is interesting. Do you do your homework every day? Yes, I do. What are you eating? I am eating a sandwich. Did you bring it from home? Yes, my mother made it. It looks delicious. Thank you.
Can you help me with this question? Yes, I can help you. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Where is the English book? It is on that shelf. Can I borrow it?
Yes, you can.